This Tesla driver was followed, harassed, and attacked by a pickup driver before the Tesla driver outsmarted him with a clever maneuver. Let's go back and start from the beginning. Our submitter was driving his Model 3 in Edmonton, and he told us his daughter was clearly visible in the passenger seat. Keep that in mind as we watch events unfold. His first encounter with the pickup driver occurred as he exited a highway. His lane was merging ahead, and he told us there was plenty of space behind him as he noticed the pickup on his left. As he prepared to zipper merge, the pickup driver appeared to be intentionally blocking him from doing so. At this point, our submitter had two options: slam on the brakes to avoid a sideswipe collision, or safely accelerate to get ahead of the pickup so he could merge. Knowing his Tesla's instant torque could handle the maneuver, he chose the latter option. By the way, in Alberta, drivers are required to let other vehicles merge safely. Failing to do so incurs a fine of 160 Canadian dollars, which is about 113 actual dollars. Evidently, the pickup driver wasn't concerned about that, and our submitter's merge enraged him. He began tailgating our submitter, even attempting to throw his coffee at his Tesla, causing it to splash all over himself and his pickup instead. We have to imagine this epic backfire only fueled his frustration as he dialed up his road rage. He started chasing our submitter around while yelling at him through his pickup's open window. The pursuit continued down a residential street until our submitter was forced to stop for a pedestrian crossing the road. At this point, our submitter felt the situation had escalated way too much, so he tried to talk to the pickup driver, attempting to avoid putting his daughter in even more danger. As he turned around and tried to get window to window with the pickup driver just followed him around before stopping on the passenger side of his Tesla. Remember who was sitting in that seat? Yep, the submitter's daughter, and we have to imagine she wasn't feeling very comfortable with the situation. Our submitter told us the pickup driver berated him with unkind words, and our submitter responded by asking him to stop following him. The pickup driver refused, continuing to follow him in spite of the request. In response, our submitter hit the juice pedal back toward the same roundabout where the failed coffee throw had occurred, this time with an escape plan in mind. Once in the roundabout, our submitter drove in circles 6 to 8 times, with the pickup driver hot on his tail, yelling out his window so loudly that bystanders could hear him losing his mind. One pedestrian crossing the street even laughed and smiled as he watched our submitter circle the roundabout over and over again. After a while, he asked his daughter, who was laughing and enjoying the ride, if she wanted to go zoom zoom. With her permission, he hit the juice pedal to cut off 2 vehicles at the light before speeding away. He knows this move was illegal, but he felt it was justified to get his own child far away from the child driving the pickup. Our submitter then took his daughter home. As they walked through the front door, he proudly informed his wife, "We have a video worthy of Wham Baam Teslacam." He told us she was excited at first, but then asked, "Wait, what happened?" Once he showed her his Teslacam footage, she agreed that he should send us a copy. Well, there's the whole story. Thanks for sharing, and thanks to everyone for watching. One last thing before we go. Don't be like this guy, or you'll just end up embarrassing yourself like he did.